I'm really excited about this product. I bought it a couple months ago and been playing with it ever since. I have used the equivalent of this with the Food Saver. It's a way to evacuate all of the air from a container like this. And I make my own seasonings, my own garlic powder, onion powder, chipotle powder. And after I do a big batch, I like to try to preserve it the best I can by getting all the air I can out of it, and then it lasts a lot longer that way. But you know, you get the big Food Saver thing out in the tube, and then you get the lid holder and everything. Sometimes it's a pain in the rear. So I was real excited to get this. It's a rechargeable unit. You just stick it on top and it works just great. I've already tested it, but I wanted to show you this. You put the lid on. You make sure that there's nothing on there, because that's important. You stick this guy on here like that, and you turn this on. Pushing with some pressure. So there it is, it's vacuum sealed. I thought we'd get a little more drama out of that, but we didn't. But there is no air in there. You see that? And there you go. You don't believe me? Watch this. All right. Is there a vacuum in there? So there you go. I really love this thing. I highly recommend it. It comes with both the wide mouth jar and the small mouth jar, or actually the standard size and the wide mouth. It comes with the charging cord. It comes with the vacuum seal. It came with a couple of extra lids, and it also came with a handy dandy opener. So hope you enjoy the video. Go out and get you one of these. They're great. Thank you for watching.